Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle, a student of the Brisang Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on technical topic that is urinary system. The urinary system is a group of organs that work together to remove waste and extra water from the body. It helps keep everything in balance, including the right amount of water, salt, and minerals. Without the urinary system, harmful waste would build up and our bodies wouldn't work properly. The main parts of the system are the kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra. First, we see the kidney. The kidney are two bean-shaped organs located in your lower lower back, just under the rib cage. They are the body's natural filters. Every day, the kidney filters around 50 gallons of blood to remove waste and extra water, which turns into urine. This waste comes from the blood and drinks we consume, as well as from the body, breaking down its own cells. The kidney also have other important roles such as balancing water and salts, controlling blood pressure, making red blood cells, keeping bones strong. First, balancing water and salts, they make sure the body has just the right amount of water and salts like sodium and potassium. Too much or too little can cause health problems. Controlling blood pressure. The kidney helps manage blood pressure by controlling how much water is in the blood. Next is making red blood cells. They produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which tells the body to make red blood cells that carry oxygen, keeping bones strong. The kidneys help control the level of calcium and vitamin D in the body, which keeps bone healthy. Next organ is ureter. Once the kidney filter out waste, the liquid that remain in is urine. The urine travels down to narrow tubes called ureters. Each kidney has its own ureter, and these tubes connect the kidney to the bladder. The ureter have muscle walls that squeeze in a wave-like motion to move the urine down to the bladder. Next organ is a bladder. The bladder is like a balloon. It is a hollow muscular organ that stores urine until it's ready to leave the body. As the bladder fills up, it stretches. The bladder can hold about 1 to 2 cups of urine comfortably, but it can stretch to hold even more if necessary. Next organ is the urethra. When you are ready to urinate, the urine leaves the bladder through a tube called the urethra. This tube leads the urine out of the body. In men, the urethra is longer and also carries semen during ejaculation. In women, the urethra is shorter and only carries urine. How the urinary system works together. uh, Blood enters the kidney, and the kidney filter out waste and extra water. The waste and water become urine. Urine travel through the ureter from the kidney to the bladder. The bladder stores the urine until you are ready to go to bathroom. When you urinate, the urine exists to the urethra. Why is the urinary system important? The urinary system is essential for keeping your body healthy. If ozone isn't removed, it can build up in the blood and cause damage to the body. The system also keeps the balance of important substance like water and salts. Without this balance, our organs wouldn't work properly, and we could become very sick. Common problems of urinary system is urinary tract infection. These are infections that can happen in any part of the urinary system, but usually affect the bladder. UTI can cause pain or burning during urination. Next is kidney stones. These are the hard lumps that can form in the kidney from minerals in the urine. They can be very painful and may block the flow of urine. Next is kidney failure. If the kidney stops working properly, waste can build up in the body, which can be life threatening. People with kidney failure may need dialysis machine that filters their blood. In short, the urinary system is like the body's waste management system. It keeps everything clean, balanced, and working well by removing waste and keeping important substances like water and salt in check. Without it, our bodies would be overloaded with harmful waste. This is all about the urinary system. Thank you.